Hi, welcome to Jen's Daily Dish. Today we're making Pavlova. Oh yes, what is Pavlova? Pavlova is a meringue that is shaped like a bowl and you put whipping cream in the middle with some berries on top. Sounds delicious, right? Pavlova originates from the early 20th century from a Russian ballerina, Anna Pavlova, who inspired this dessert. The meringue is supposed to look like her tutu. Who knew? I just found out. We're also making it because I get to sing the song. Rising up, back of the oven. It takes its time, there's no chancing. Thrill of the taste, marshmallowy and crisp. It's perfection. Did I say that it's non-fat? It's the beauty of Pavlova. It's so great to make. Yeah, let's stop singing. Let's make it. The recipe comes together so quickly, as you'll remember from my other meringue recipe. Mix the egg whites. We're going to put them on the tray to bake in the oven. Let that rest for a little bit. It is done. First things first, preheat your oven to 200 degrees. Second thing you want to do, get a 9-inch plate and mark it on a piece of parchment paper. You're going to use this as your guide to make the bowl. 3.5 to 4 egg whites. Pinch of salt. Let's get this going. Half teaspoon cream of tartar. Beat at high speed. We're looking for soft peaks at this point. This is a cup of granulated sugar that I have put through the food processor to make it finer. The recipe calls for a fine sugar, and so you can do that with granulated sugar. Add in your tablespoon of cornstarch. Gradually add your mixture. We're looking for it to be thick and glossy, and then beat for 1 more minute. Look at that, it is ready. Look at that stiff peak, it's nice and glossy, perfect. At this point, you could scoop with a spatula or other utensil the meringue onto your sheet into that 9-inch circle and just make sure that the sides are higher. I know me, and I think I'm gonna be better off using a pastry bag, so feel free to just use a baggie and snip off the bottom and make a circle. All right, I can see my circle there on the other side. Let's do this. All right, I've got my very shallow bowl here. Perhaps yours is higher. It's going to go into the oven for an hour, and then you turn the oven off and at least wait an hour. You could even wait overnight. It's been an hour. Turn off your oven. Leave it in there for at least another hour, but you could leave it in there overnight. No peeking until you're ready to take it out. It's rested a little over an hour. Let's take it out. Ooh, look at that. Look how pretty that looks. It's going to look even better with the whipped cream and the berries. 1.5 cups heavy whipping cream. 1/4 cup confectioner sugar. Whip until thickened. Add a teaspoon of vanilla extract or vanilla paste. All right, let's move our beautiful meringue. That stands fully on its own. We're going to add the whipped cream in the middle, and then we are going to put the strawberries on top. Now sprinkle your berries or your stone fruit or whatever you have chosen to put on top. Inspection time. All I have to say is this looks so pretty, and I know how good it's going to taste. And have we talked about how it's non-fat? I think we have, but it's always good to say. So you get your fruit for the day and some egg whites, which is protein. So this is kind of healthy. Yeah. All right, look at that. It makes a perfect shallow bowl. Let's cut into it. Oh my. Ooh, I can feel that it's kind of marshmallowy. It's crisp on the outside. That is perfect. Oh, look at that. Yum. All right, inspection time. Look at that meringue. It is crisp on the outside. Let's feel the inside. It's going to be nice and gooey and marshmallowy, just as we want it. And the whipped cream I know is good because I tried it, and strawberries, who doesn't like them? Let's taste it. The taste, I've been waiting for this. Mmm. 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 The whipped cream on top of this lovely marshmallowy meringue, which is crisp on the outside, is just simply delicious. And add the strawberries on top for that extra sweetness. I could eat this all day. Yeah, every day. If I can make a pavlova for the very first time with you, you can too. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and check me out on Instagram at Jen's Daily Dish and more. I'm going back for so much more.